Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a Ember, and I love it. It's got a bunkhouse, so if you're looking for some bunks or some more extra space, this is a great unit to look at. It's got a beautiful U-shaped dinette, and I cannot wait to show you. Again, it is a Ember, and I think it's either a 2023, 2024 new. So let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know what you think. Let's go. Alright guys, we've got a 2023 Ember. The model is 24BH. You got this nice little metal tank where they keep their propane, and then you can store some other stuff right up here. I love this. Keeps it safe, but it looks great too. You've got a nice slide on this side. This is a fiberglass unit. Nice long awning. You do have two doors as well. You've got an outdoor kitchen with a griddle and a fridge. And then of course you do have your backup camera prep and an easy access door right there as well. So maybe you have, which I'll show you inside, but maybe you have some bikes, or maybe golfing or canoe or fishing poles, whatever. You can slide them right in. All right. Right when you walk in, first of all, I love the flooring. I love how they put this together. It's a little bit shorter, but they did use the space wisely. So right here we got a little cubbies. Maybe you got some keys over here that you would easy access. You've got your bunks that actually have stairs as well, or a ladder. Nice window right here on the first bunk. And then on the second bunk, this actually comes down, and of course it's the regular size bunk, but this is where that easy access door is. You can lift this up and you can pull in something right here if you wanted to. You also have outlets and chargers up here as well. And then take a look around. Right here we've got some pantry area. Little safe down there, it looks like. A lot of space in there. Over here we've got our bathroom. Excuse me. So a nice size bathroom. I like how they pivoted the toilet so that you do actually have some room in here. So nice storage areas, cubbies, counter space, little window. Plenty of space in here. Love it. You got a beautiful U-shaped dinette, which actually also turns into a nice, beautiful, couch. Super comfy. Throw some pillows, blankets on here, and it will be across from your entertainment and your fireplace. Again, very comfy. Plus, you got storage underneath. Got storage right above, and then beautiful windows on that side. And those are 2-pane windows, and they push all the way out so you can have that breeze just flowing in here really nicely. In fact, they put this together specifically so that you have some nice airflow coming through if you wanted to. Plus, you have your blackout curtain or blinds as well. The bottom blackout, the top, maybe you have your window open. This is going to protect you from any bugs that may want to come in and join you. But yeah, you just push this out, and it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 different levels. Love it. All right, we've got our kitchen over here. You've got your extension, your countertop extension right here. Nice big sink, plenty of drawers and storage area and counter space. Love the backsplash. Got a microwave, a 3-burner, and your oven. Beautiful window back there that also pushes out. And then on this side, you do have storage underneath of your refrigerator, which is a nice size, plenty of space, plenty of room in here to put your goods. And then a nice size freezer as well. And then right through here, we've got our master bedroom. And first of all, just look at the amount of space that you have to walk around the entirety of it. You've got some area over here to hang up your clothes on both sides, little drawers and a side table. Plus you do have little cubbies in the back. Got storage up here as well. And then you do have a skylight, which I love. I absolutely love. This is where your door is, and of course you do have storage under here, but this is where your second door is. You've got dresser space down here and a mirror and some more area right here. All right, so what do you guys think? Would love to hear. This is a 2023. They've got the biggest discounts, and especially being Black Friday sales event. I mean, they actually pushed it out even further, so you guys take advantage of it. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or, want to know anything, my information is below. Call, text, email. But yeah, until next time, guys.